students, good afternoon. Welcome to my channel. This afternoon, I would like to show to you different methods of producing seedlings. Actually, there are three methods of producing seedlings: the seed bed method, seed box method, and of course, utilizing various containers. What I will show to you this afternoon is not the seed bed method because the weather condition is not bad if we will go to the field. And the method of producing seedlings which I will show to you this afternoon are both for hydroponics and soil farming. Now, the reason why we need to produce seedlings is to reduce the risk in the mortality of plants if we will plant it or sow the seeds directly to the field from the seedling stage until harvestable stage. And so in order to refrain from this risk, we need to produce seedlings, and in particular these small vegetables seedlings. What are the materials needed in producing seedlings? First, of course, you need the seeds. Just a disclaimer, I am not advertising Rambo seeds. So I am using here lettuce. This is icebergs lettuce. Then Grand Rapid, there's no name of the manufacturer because I ordered this at Lazada. Okay. Now, we have the soil medium. This medium is a mixture of garden soil, the rice hull, charcoal made of rice hull, and of course the coconut coir. Okay. Then I have here the net cup. This is now the container, and filled with coconut fiber and coconut coir, and of course ready for planting the seeds. And I already sterilized this. Then I have this raccoon cube. You will need not to use water. Instead, this raccoon cube will suffice the need of producing a seedling or producing seedlings. Then I am also using this Yakult bottle. I cut this into, or divide this into two. So the upper part of the bottle is used in as container in producing a seedling or producing seedlings. I have here 4, but I have many bottles of Yakult. Then this one is seedling tree. This can be used by farmers in both large scale and small scale farming. Okay, this one. And you can use also another container. This one. This is already filled with soil medium, sterilized a while ago. And I am ready to sow the seeds in this particular container. Then we have also seed box. If you have seed box, you can have it also. You can use it, and of course seed bed for large scale farming, particularly rice production. Okay. So these are now, let us start with the sowing of seeds. I use here tweezer to uh, put the seeds in the rock wool cubes. I will place 2 seeds in every cube so that I can be assured of the success in producing seedlings. Okay, another. Please remember that you need to wet this with warm water, not just to provide water in the Rahul cube for use during the entire process of germination, but the very purpose also of wetting this with warm water is to sterilize, because there might be bacteria or fungus present in the Rahul cube. Okay, let us proceed now to this Yakult bottle. I will plant Grand Rapid. Okay, then after this is already sterilized and the medium inside this bottle is wet, so I have to place here a small amount of soil medium, good enough to cover the seeds. Then I will spray it with water so that the soil medium covering the seeds will be wet. Okay. Then I will do it later. Let's proceed to this one, the knit cap. I will make a small hole. I will sow what's this? Iceberg seeds. Okay. Then again, it will be covered with a small amount of soil. Then spray again. Let us now proceed to this seedling tray. I will just okay, I will make a small hole here, small hole, small hole, small hole. Then place 2 to 3 seeds. Okay, I will make a 3 to make sure that there will be success in seed germination. Okay. Next, we have here another container. This can replace seed box. Okay. So I will place 2 to 3 seeds. Okay, I will continue it later. Now, granting that the sowing of seeds in these different containers are done, you will place it in the big container. Example, this one. Or we will place it individual. This one. And okay, you will place it here. So granting that all of the containers planted with seeds are already in this container, you need to cover this cover with a cover, and you will place this in a cool, dry place, and of course after 3 days you will open it, and I'm pretty sure if the seedlings are viable, it will already germinate, and then you will expose them to sunlight every morning to make it sure that they will grow vigorously. Now, in the event that the water is already consumed, the water in the net cup, this bottle of Yakult, and in the rock cube, wall cube, if you place it here in this plate of the paso, of course you need to put a small amount of water here in order that there will be enough water which will carry the nutrients from the water to the different parts of or from the soil medium to the different parts of the plants when they are already quite matured, because there will be, or the food materials in the cotyledon are already consumed. So there is a need for you to provide the water to the seedlings by putting it here. And this one, I use this container so that I will not pour directly the water here because there might be an instance that the seedlings will be destroyed when you will pour water. Instead, I will place water in this container, and because there are holes in this particular container, it will be easy for the water to penetrate inside this container, and of course the soil moisture in this container will be maintained, and of course for the utilization of the seedlings during its growth and development. And in 2 weeks time, when the germination of the seeds is successful, and I think the seedlings are already transferable to the final growing area, you can transplant the seedlings. So these are all about for this afternoon. Thank you very much, and God bless you all.